Hey, what's up guys, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to guide you how to use Pancakeswap decentralized exchange website using your Metamask wallet. So let's get started. Pancakeswap is a decentralized exchange website like Uniswap, Swap, and many more like SushiSwap. I think we have. So Pancakeswap is one of the top and most useful website. Every user, every trader use Pancakeswap while they want to buy a new recently added coin. So how you can buy a coin, how you can stake your coin on Pancakeswap using your Metamask wallet, everything you will learn in this video step by step. At first, open Pancakeswap. This is the URL, pancakeswap.finance. Press enter. First of all, you need to connect your Metamask wallet with Pancakeswap. If you don't know how you can connect it, just go to my YouTube channel. Here I have uploaded how to connect Metamask wallet with Pancakeswap. Just watch this video. Okay, now let's connect our Metamask wallet with Pancakeswap. Even you can use your trust wallet with Metamask also, but in this video we are going to use Metamask wallet. Click on Metamask extension, reload the page. Okay, then click on connect button, select Metamask wallet. Okay, now your Metamask wallet is connected. In left side you will see the home page. Here you can hide the menu and you can show the menu. This is the home page. You can check all the details, forms and staking, lottery winnings, and much more. Then if we see trade, most of the time we will use these three menu: trade, forms, pools. At first, let's go to trade menu. Now what you can do with this, the basic step or the first step to buy and sell a coin, you will come to trade option, click exchange. Now here again you need to connect your Metamask wallet, reload the page. Now your Metamask wallet should be connected. Yes, here you can see. Okay, in here this is the version 2 Pancakeswap. The version 1 is not supported anymore, but you can use it, but version 2 is better. In version 2, here you can see swap liquidity. What swap means? Swap means you are going to buy and sell any coin. Like how? Suppose using Metamask. On Metamask, if we check, and Metamask you can buy with your Ethereum and BNB, but Ethereum get lots of fees. I think you cannot afford it. Even I cannot afford the gas fees. But using Binance Smart Chain, the transaction fees is low. Like each transaction can cost 4 cents, 3 cents, 5 cents, even 0.3 cents. So I recommend you to add Binance. Like here I uploaded video how you can, let me show you how to add BNB network on Metamask wallet. Watch this video, connect your BNB network with Metamask on Metamask, and then you can use your BNB or Binance Smart Chain to buy and sell any coin. So if in here, suppose I want to buy any coin, at first here we will select the coin that we want to swap from BNB to any coin, like BNB from Doge, BNB from XRP, BNB from SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, and any more coin. Like here I select BNB, or you can select BUSD also. If you have BUSD, select BUSD, or if you have BNB, then select BNB coin. The next coin that you want to swap your BNB to, like if you want, like I want to buy SafeMoon, here select SafeMoon, then type the amount of BNB that you want to buy or you want to swap from BNB to SafeMoon, like 0.1 BNB, 0.5 BNB, or you want to buy 1 BNB, or you want to buy your 1 BNB to SafeMoon. So this is the basic step you can buy. For now I don't have BNB, that's why, but this is the step. like I want to buy SafeMoon, simply swap your SafeMoon, swap your BNB to SafeMoon, and here you will see swap. Simply click on swap and complete the transaction. Then simply your transaction or your swapping coin will be successfully done. Once you buy any coin or once you complete the swapping coin, then how you can sell your coin. Suppose I want to sell my SafeMoon to BNB. You can click this arrow or click here, select SafeMoon, and then from here select BNB or BUSD. If you want to swap your SafeMoon to BUSD, select BUSD, or if you want to select swap to BNB, then select BNB coin. Okay, now I want to swap my SafeMoon to BNB. Click maximum. Okay, this is my the total SafeMoon that I have. If you want to check the price of SafeMoon, select USDT. Here you can see you have this much SafeMoon, but now I want to swap it to BNB. Okay, now approve. At first approve your SafeMoon. Once you click on approve SafeMoon, then complete the transaction. Then like this, if we click approve SafeMoon, you will see this Metamask notification. Now confirm the transaction. Click on confirm, then the approve SafeMoon transaction will be completed. Next you need to click on swap button. Click on swap button, then your SafeMoon directly swap to BNB. It means you will sell your SafeMoon and you will get BNB. So this is the basic step how you can buy and sell your coin, or how you can swap any coin. Or now you learn how you can buy and sell a coin using your Metamask wallet on Pancakeswap. The next step is how you can stake your coin and get daily interest. Simply come to forms. We have two options. We have two categories of staking coin. One is forms, the second is pools. These both staking category works differently. Once you come here, simply connect your Metamask wallet, reload the page. Okay, click connect button, Metamask. Now your Metamask wallet is connected. Listen, on forms you need to create two coins of LP token. Like how? Here we can see two coin, cake and BNB. If you want to stake this two coin, then what you need to do at first? First of all, at first you need to create cake and BNB LP token. How you can do it? Simply come to trade option, go to liquidity and just do it. Here I have uploaded a video like how to stake Dogecoin. In this video I just guide you how you can create LP token. So let's come back. In forms category, in forms staking option, you need to create LP token of the two coin like cake and BNB. Then you can stake your coin. Here you can see many coins like BUSD with BNB, merge with BNB, borrowing with BNB. So if you have this both of coin, your Metamask wallet, then create the LP token and stake here. If you stake cake and BNB, then per year you will get 58% of profit. Daily you will get 0.60%, weekly 1.30%, monthly 4.94%, and per year you will get 79%, near to 80%. So per year you will get this much profit. Each coin have different percent of profit. Like borrowing BNB, it will give you 135, and automata with BNB, this coin will give you 170% profit. So what the next category we can stake our coin and how we can stake our coin? This is the pools staking category. In here, now in here you need to stake your one coin. You don't need to create LP token, you don't need to have two coins, you don't need to stake your two coins. Here only you can stake your one coin individually. Like if you stake your cake coin, then you will get 1.40% profit. Like how? If you click here, daily you will get 0.22%, weekly you will get 1.47%, monthly you will get 6.46%, and per year you will get 1.40%. So this is the steps that you can stake your coin on pools option, and you will get daily interest. Here you can see lots of coin that you can stake on Pancakeswap, like you can BTR, T-Doge, P-Moon, One, Fine. If you have one of these coin, then come to here and stake your coin, get daily interest. It's better to put your coin on your spot wallet. If your target is to hold your coin for a long term, then why not to invest, or why not to stake your coin on decentralized exchange website like Pancakeswap, Swap, LedSwap. This decentralized exchange website works the same. You can use this video, you can follow this video while using Swap, while using LedSwap. The method is same. So how you can stake it? Simply click here, detail, click enable, then you will see Metamask notification. Simply confirm the transaction fees. Here the transaction fees is 0.12 cent. Click confirm. Now you should see stake option. Okay, anytime that you want to unstake your coin, listen, anytime that you want to unstake your coin, then you can do it. There is no limitation, there is no and there is no option that they should not allow you, that you cannot unstake your coin. Anytime you can unstake your coin. Now click on stake button. Now select the amount of coin that you want to stake, click confirm, again complete the transaction fees, then finally you will stake your coin and you will get daily interest. So this is the basic steps of how you can use Pancakeswap decentralized exchange website using your Metamask wallet. Even you can use your Trust wallet too. So if you have any question, any confusion regarding to this title, regarding to this video, feel free to leave a comment and I will solve your problem. So if you like this video, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are new to this channel. So subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and get notification while hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. So this video is end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.